Makeup is only ever as good as the skin to which it is applied to. Even using the most basic skincare will help you create the best possible makeup application. Start by cleansing the skin. It's very important to do this as it cleans the skin from any dirt and grime and helps unclog the pores. Using 2 damp cotton pads in soft sweeping motions, gently go around the face and neck area. Next step is toner. Toning is such an important step as it helps to restore the skin's natural pH balance, helps firm up the pores after cleansing, and it really leaves the skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. After toning, use a moisturizer to hydrate your client's skin. This will prevent foundation from being absorbed and looking patchy. Make sure the cream is evenly dispersed around the face and neck area to help create a smooth base. I recommend applying an eye cream around the eye contour as this will prevent makeup from sitting in any fine lines. My top tip is to keep the eye cream in the refrigerator as this will help to reduce tired eyes, any puffiness and boost circulation to the area. Don't forget about lips. Lips get cracked so easily due to the weather, central heating, air conditioning, you name it. So by applying a balm to this area, it will help hydrate, plump and prevent future cracking. Finally, apply a photo perfecting primer to give your face a flawless base.